Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain the side effects of eating too much apples. The side effect of eating too much apples. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. First of all, apples are audible fruits, and they say that one apple a day keeps a doctor away. Many people, they like apples. Even me, I like apples. But when you consume so much, large amount of apples per day, it will lead to some side effects. It is said that you should, an average person should take at least 1 to 2 apples a day. So when you consume maybe 9 apples per day, 10 apples, 15 apples, you're going to get some side effects. So in this video, I'm going to explain all side effects. The first thing, it may lead to digestive issues. It is known that apples contain high amount of fiber, which helps prevent constipation. So an average person must take about 20 grams to 40 grams of fibers per day, depending on the age and also depending on the sex. So when you consume a lot, high amount, so because apple contains high amount of fiber, so when you consume a lot of fibers than 40 grams of fiber per day, you may lead to bloating and also may lead to constipation issues. So don't consume a lot of apples per day. Okay, another effect is that it may lead to damage of the teeth. Apples, it contains acidic, so when you consume a lot of apples, it leads to damage of the teeth. The teeth will change color and the teeth will be damaged. Okay, another side effect is that when you take a lot of apple, will make your sugar level to fluctuate. Apples, they contain carbohydrates, and apples, they contain sugar. So when there be a lot of sugar in your blood, so the sugar level will fluctuate. So for those people who are having diabetes mellitus, and then you consume a lot of apples, will also make your sugar level to spike. So will lead to the complication of diabetes will be exacerbated, so will be increased. So if you know that you're a diabetic patient, don't take a lot of apples, because those a lot of apples will increase sugar level in your blood. Also, when you take a lot of apples, it will lead to ingestion of too much chemicals. As you know that apples, when they are grown there, they also release of pesticides to killing the pests. So there's a certain chemical which researchers have done. They say that in apples per year, there's a chemical which is called the phyramine. So this phyramine, when you consume it, so the phyramine, it is in apples. So when you consume a lot of apples, it means that you also consume a lot of that chemical. So that chemical will lead to side effects such as constipation, diarrhea, blood vision. Some people, they also lose appetite, and some people, they also lead to fainting. So don't consume a lot of apples per day. And also the last one is that they say that consuming a lot of apples can lead to weight gain. Apples, they contain carbohydrates, they contain sugar. So by doing that, when you consume apples for a long period of time, you lead to getting your body weight will increase. So in the nation or in the world, apples are grown in Washington, they are grown in New York. So that are main places where apples are grown. But also there are so many other places where apples are grown. So make sure that you don't consume a lot of apples per day. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.